Take a look at the equation on your screen. 22 divided by 11 times 1 plus 1. It looks like a simple math problem you would solve in elementary school. But first, let's look at why this exact image has sparked massive debates across the internet. It has divided millions of people into two angry camps. One group is absolutely convinced the answer is 1. The other group is ready to bet their lives that the answer is 4. So, who is actually right? And why does a simple string of numbers cause so much confusion? Today, we are going to break down the psychology of this math trap, explore the golden rule of mathematics, and finally solve it together. First, let's look at how almost half the internet gets the answer 1. And to be honest, their logic seems incredibly sound at first glance. When people see this equation, their brain immediately jumps to the parentheses. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Perfect. Now the equation looks like this. 22 divided by 11 times 2. Here is where the fatal mistake happens. Because the 11 is right next to the parentheses, our brains instinctively group them together. People multiply the 11 by the 2, which gives 22. Finally, they divide 22 by 22, leaving them with a clean, satisfying answer of 1. It feels right. It looks neat. But mathematically speaking, it is completely 100% wrong. If you got one, don't feel bad. Your brain was just playing a visual trick on you. To understand why it is wrong, we have to revisit the ultimate law of arithmetic, PEMDAS. You probably remember the acronym: parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is where the education system failed a lot of us. Many people were taught that multiplication comes before division, just because the letter M comes before D in the word PEMDAS. But that is a massive misunderstanding. Here's the secret. Multiplication and division are actually on the exact same level of priority. They are equals. So, when you have an equation with both multiplication and division, you don't do multiplication first. You must solve them strictly from left to right, just like reading a book. Now, let's apply the real rules of PEMDAS and solve this the correct way. Step 1 remains the same. Parentheses always come first. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, our updated equation is 22 divided by 11 times 2. Now, we scan the equation from left to right. We see division first and multiplication second. Because of the left to right rule, we must do the division right now. So 22 divided by 11 is 2. Finally, we are left with 2 times 2, which of course gives us our true undeniable answer, 4. The reason this problem went viral isn't because the math is hard. It's because the equation is written in a slightly ambiguous way to deliberately confuse your eyes. Now, as I promised at the start, here is your bonus challenge. Are you ready? Here's the equation. 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Does it equal 1, or does it equal 9? Take your time, apply the real rules we just talked about, and let me know your answer in the comments below. I will be reading and liking the correct ones. If you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending puzzles, and I will see you in the next one.